So it's 11 a.m. and on Saturday, and we are currently setting up to get the chickens and ducks outside. So that means that I am putting shavings and hay into all of the little muckies outside. Hey, and helping me, as always, is my little man Gizmo, who had a shower. Oh, and here comes the other, so he wouldn't get too hot. It's 25 degrees. It feels like it's a lot more. And next is filling all the feeds and getting water outside to all the pens. I like to cook in the kitchen, trying to figure out how many duck foods, how many duck food containers we need, and how many chicken food containers we need. And I'm not really counting because my mom knows best what pen is what. So I'll just make a bunch and we'll go from there. The 2 pens are ready to be moved with food and water. So next step is I gotta cut everyone. Come here, who? Oh, you'll be a little difficult one. Man, I forgot how strong you guys are. Okay. I got my duck. Let's move. To your summer cottages. Oh, we got our first client. Watch out, Dad. Dad. I'm coming with my first client.
Huh?
Watch out. We're moving.
It doesn't close.
Oh, boy. Not good. And there you go. Go on, Rob.
They'll come there if I can get in. Let's go get lunch.
En mä enää niin, ei jotenkin. Tää on aika hyvä, että se Kostolan lause, että voidaan vähentää murrosikää. Mä sitten sain idean viettää sitä puberteettia, josta se oli ohi.
Sorry to interrupt your bath. It's 1:30 and we just finished moving all the ducks and chickens outside.